Understand this. There's a difference between healing candida and a difference between suppressing candida. When you use the candida diet that everybody else uses, that's suppression. You can never eat any kind of sugars. And I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want that. The way to heal candida is to move the lymphatic system. That's the system responsible for your candida. That and the adrenal glands. We gotta fix the adrenal glands. We gotta fix the lymphatic system. But more importantly, we gotta fix your kidney filtration. When I say fix, I mean use herbs for those. You're gonna use the Fabulous Five. These are herbs for the kidneys, adrenals, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. Then we're going to add in some antimicrobial herbs by a tincture formula, and we're gonna use that 3 to 5 times a day for a good 3 to 4 months. I would also add in Parasite C. It has herbs in there like Sweet Annie, Pau de Arco in there, and Cryptolepsis, powerful plants you want to use. It will take a little bit of time and you will see flare-ups, okay, as you cleanse the body. But once it goes away, it's not going to come back. Use extra herbs for your adrenal glands as well, and you're good to go.